Hey, Tube of Views. Today I've got something, it's not long, it's kind of short, quick, you might even enjoy it. Hey, Tube of Views, welcome back. I've got a couple things to talk about today that normally I don't talk about, but I talked about them with somebody yesterday who had a boat and an issue, and he said specifically, why don't you guys ever tell us this? And I thought that's a good point. So, all right, look. This boat, this section right here, the part that says Bayliner, this was done over 2 seasons ago, but you see the shine? It's not gone away. That reflection came out of this. So 2 seasons ago, I hit that, and then a student came a couple months later and did this section. And as you know, if you've watched any of my videos, this boat has become kind of a, I don't know, like a demo, like a test. This was also done 2 seasons ago. Still glossy, still got a nice shine. Look at this. Huh? All right. So the secret, the thing that I really want you all to know, and this mostly applies to you small boaters, but if you can take this level of oxidation right here, if you can take that and grind it to this, at that point, you're going to want to seal that in. Once you do that, every couple months, you're going to want to reapply some form of a protective sealant. So, let me tell you how this is going to go. So, here's the big secret, guys. These were both compounded. You remember Patrick was one of the guys that came out from Arkansas, I believe, and he worked on this and a little bit over here. So, while this was protected, this wasn't. Or at least, I didn't maintain the protection. So you see the difference in color. Down here, over here, this got sprayed with either Chemical Guy's Speed Wipe, polymer-based protection, or you got hit with Chemical Guy's Synthetic Detailer, also polymer-based protection. Sadly, even Jay Leno's Garage Spray Detailer, polymer protection. Or one of my favorite go-tos, 303's Aerospace Protectant. So how does this work? It's pretty simple. Take a rag, clean, squirt, squirt, wipe, wipe. Take another rag, clean, wipe, wipe. And then go about your boating life for the next 3 months. And then every 3 months, squirt, squirt, wipe, wipe, clean towel, wipe, wipe. If you don't, this happens. If you do, this happens. It's simple, guys. That's all I do. That's it. It's maintenance. If you've gotten all the oxidation out of the boat, keep protecting it. Don't let it get to this point where you think, oh, maybe I should wax it. No, you're well past the point of waxing at that point. This now takes compound. So if you want to avoid that, if you want to go through all the work that I do and make your boat look really good, cool. I'm happy. Then spray, spray. Wipe, wipe. It's not rocket science. It's just what works. And if you do this, then you won't have to hire a detailer. Ever again. But there's the difference, guys. I don't know if it's going to autofocus, but whatever. So, not protected, protected. Not protected, protected. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. Happy Sunday. It's Easter Orthodox Sunday, so that's why I'm working. See, guys, I told you it was short. You might actually even have liked it. Thanks, subscribe, give a thumbs up. You know what to do.